give this video a thumbs up. Did I clean my lipstick just now? What? Hello juicy queens, welcome to the juicy family where we create juicy content. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Join the juicy family. Thumbs up this video if you like it. It's going to be kind of chill and makeup tutorial. I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to be showing you guys the product I feel you'll need to see. For the shadows, I think I'm going to use the Zulu palette in this tutorial, so I won't be showing everything. I'll link them in the description box. And let's get into this tutorial. queens, we've come to the end of this makeup and chill and makeup silent therapy, whatever you call it. I enjoyed this tutorial. Come on, it was just kind of walking in the spirit, like, you know, when the spirit is leading, you're just creating according to. Anyways, that story for another day. I love it, and I think I'll do 1 or 2 or 3 more of these because come on, it's just so chilling. You know, that idea of I'm using this brush, I'm using this, it wasn't like, you know, but everything I used for this tutorial, like I said, I'm going to leave them in the description box. Do check them out. And for this look, I just used the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and yeah, just that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Juicy family. If you are not, join the Juicy family. You need to be here, guys. If you watched till this minute, thank you so much. Join the Juicy family. I keep saying it. We do juicy content here. You don't want to miss them. They keep rolling in. Like, you must learn one thing in this channel. That's a yes for me. Anyways, love to see you, Juicy queens, in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.